Get ready for a taste of the tropics with mango, the exotic gem of Fruitopia. With its smooth, golden flesh and sweet fragrance, it's a tropical delight in every bite. Mangoes are loaded with vitamins and fiber, perfect for keeping us healthy and happy. Let's spell it out. M-A-N-G-O, mango. Now, let's groove to the mango song.
Yellow and juicy, a tropical treat. Mangoes